The design for the garden has been inspired by the East Village itself, the materials, the architecture, the views, the courtyards, and the history of the Lea Valley and the Stratford area itself. One of the key themes that Delancey wanted us to pick up on is this theme, design for living, which is really the contrast between the interesting architecture and large external spaces. We've picked up on various different materials, whether it's glass or steel or timber, and translated these through the structures that we've got in our garden. When we were down at Exbury, we saw the lifting of a plant that had been growing in its natural environment. The reason that we went down in February to lift them was that the plant was dormant, so you're not going to shock the plant when you cut its roots. At Deepdale, we were looking at our key shrubs and our key trees. These are the big ticket numbers in our garden. They're going to anchor the design, they're going to anchor the garden, they're going to anchor the structures and provide a backdrop against which our herbaceous planting can be seen. At Kelways, we were looking at most of the herbaceous material so that we could take a 3-litre pot and pot it up into a 5-litre or a 7.5 litre to ensure that actually when it comes to Chelsea we've got a very lush, bumper, healthy growing plant. We've got a huge team that are working with us to create the garden at Chelsea. Everybody from the nurserymen to the fabricators to the guys who are painstakingly painting our urban wall. It's a real team effort and I think that's something that I've been most struck by and am really enjoying. We very much hope that the garden will reflect the ethos of high quality design that Delancey have. The juxtaposition between the interesting architecture, the great external spaces, the urban and the green that they have, and the design for living theme.